Expensive, but it is quieter than other units. This thing works great. Would buy again. First summer, worked great. Second summer, worked great. Third summer, worked great. Fourth summer, just starting. I wanted to wait a while before writing a review. I love this air conditioner. Love thermostat that is so accurate. Size and quickly cools room down. Only neg comment is it is somewhat noisy when watching TV, but acts like white noise when sleeping. Glad I got this. Best portable AC on the market. It has a silent option for nighttime and I'm actually able to sleep through even though I'm very sensitive to noise. This product has performed very well. This week in California we have had a heat wave. Temps reaching over 105 degrees. Thank God I got this air conditioner just in time for my birthday party. It is super quiet. These other reviews must be funny. My unit is quiet. Works fabulous. Guests from my party will be ordering this product for their homes. It's perfect. Quality product. I love the cooler, no water to clean up, cool AOR. I love my new portable AC. It keeps my boutique building very cool. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.